In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make unlimited mail in Brevo. The idea here is simple. Inside Brevo, you can add and verify multiple sender email addresses. Each sender you add can be used as a from address when you send campaigns or transactional emails, depending on your setup. The key is to add a sender correctly and then complete the verification from that email inbox, because Brevo will not let you send from an address that has not been confirmed. Start by logging into your Brevo account and looking at the top right corner of the dashboard. You will see your account name there. Click your account name to open the account menu. This is where Brevo places several important settings, including the section used to manage sender identities. In the menu, select the option labeled Senders, Domains, IPs. This will take you into the area where you control the details that affect who you can send email as and how sending is authenticated. Once that page loads, click the Senders tab. The Senders tab is specifically for managing the email addresses that appear as the sender on outgoing messages. Keeping this list organized is helpful, especially if you plan to use different sender addresses for different purposes, like support, notifications, or marketing. Now click Add a Sender. A form will appear asking for two key pieces of information. Enter the name you want recipients to see, and then enter the new email address you want to add as a sender. Make sure the email address is spelled correctly and that you have access to its inbox, because the next step requires you to open a message that Brevo sends for verification. Using an address you cannot access will stop the process here. After you fill in the name and email address, click Save. Brevo will send a verification email to that address. Open the inbox for the email address you just entered. Find the verification message from Brevo and click the verification link inside the email. This confirms that you own or control that sender address. Once the link is clicked, the sender will be verified and ready to use in Brevo. Repeat the same process for each additional sender address you want to add. That covers everything you need to know.